our project on data backup and recovery with IBM Cloud. Here you can see my code where we have written an email.johnson/r and our telecom bot where you can add in many IDs and the chat and tokens are being given here. Now you can see that we are given an email and receive and an receive password. We have given a total backup and we have created a restore trigger point in a Johnson so that it can restore whenever the previous backup has been failed or not. Then in this it can check the current status of the buckets, and in this main bucket, if it is an exit, it will give the backup, and if it fails, then it will does not show any how much storage is there. And same we have done to the backup storage. If anything goes wrong, an error will be executed in that. In this we can check that if n exists, it converts to the percentage and prints out the percentage and how much is percentage has been used. Same as we have done for an backup bucket also, and returns then as an storage input. In this we have done a message like if we get a 95% and an alert, it stops the backup, and if we get an 80%, it stops, and respectively. And it sends the telegram messages to our bot. Now in this we have like if the trigger point is generated, then there will be 1 in the JSON file, and the other conditions like if the conditions passes, then the respective codes will be executed. Now you can see that if main bucket is full, then we'll get an email and telegram messages, same as for backup bucket. It will go like that. Or else if any shifting errors happen in a main bucket, then the error will be executed. These are the mails conditions. Whatever the conditions will happen will be executed and the mails will be sent. Now an def run script is going on where it runs an Python scripts, individual Python scripts in that. So in this auto upload monitoring, if anyone has been triggered, then these conditions will be monitored and these specific files will be run. And it stores the outputs in an monitor.js, and these are the functions can be run. Now in trigger how the triggers happens. See, we can see that in triggers, if a Python script will be running, now we have stored the backup credentials in a Johnson, and same we have done and main credentials also. In this we can see that in a Johnson the trigger is null. If any trigger there will be 1, or if no triggers there will be 0. While executing the next day program or next time, then if the trigger is 1 or 0, then it will be executed. Same as we can see in auto uploading in this is an upload. If anything happens to the main bucket, then the uploadation will be continued and it uploads directly to the backup bucket. In this we are given 8 upload time and the files, like if upload is successful then it will be uploaded. If anything is error, it will be detected, and if any detection happens in the directory, it intimates, and if any changes, it uploads, and it checks also any new files is there and and it will upload. And in this if main credential is failure, then it shifts us to backup bucket. In this we are given a monitor as an of upload folder, where you can see that these are the files that were uploaded in the folder. Now if in this it prints that monitor is changing in folders, and it prints now. In this we are given a delay of 1 minute so that it does not upload continuously, and if we want you can stop the monitoring also, or else it will print an error of that. Now in this upload in this we can see that this is the file of backup. In this I have shown that main credentials and how the credentials are been done, and how we are taking the credentials from Johnson. In this the upload server is done, and if any errors in upload directory, it will there. In this we are given bouncy delay so that it does not continuously uploads the files to the server. In this, if any detection happens in an directory, it will changes in the file also, and it uploads, same as what we have said in the backup server. Now these are the email where we can store the email and send us email. Who wants the sends an email, we can write up to 3 to 4 emails in that. In this restore.py we can see that if any restores are there, it will check from the Johnson file. If any Johnson file, if it is 1, then the restore will happen, and will check the credentials from main and backup credentials from Johnson. Then it will execute the programs using that credentials. If backup is available, it uses backup files to upload the file. If no buckets are found, it prints no bucket. If any last modified, it modifies the restores bucket, and files will be found. In this we are given like if no buckets are found, it will print as no buckets and exits. And if you want a backup of all, you can give backup, or at least last 20 minutes you can take a backup of last 20 minutes also. Now you can see the script error logs. If any errors occurs in upload or any And what are the logs are done in this? You can see that these are the logs that have been done, and you can see that how the APIs has been called and which are the credentials are start and stopped, and how the response have been done, and you can see that the logs have been done. Now we are running a file to show that how the backup will be done. See, we can see that main backup and backup storage is of 59% and backup is of 66, and you can see that the buckets are, and main bucket and backup bucket are 2. This means that all the buckets are fine and the continuous upload will be done. If we try to upload this Mahesh to my this PDF file to an upload folder, yeah, we can see that it has been uploaded. Now we can wait for 2-3 minutes so that it can be uploaded to the cloud storage. Here you can see that and which PDF I was like how to take a printout in a desktop and laptop. It has been uploaded, and now you can see in an backup storage also it has been uploaded directly. Here you can see that you can see that how to take a printout in the desktop has been uploaded to a backup storage also. Now let's do an debugging on if main storage is available. Yeah. Yeah, I've changed the restore trigger because it was it will be an issue. Yeah, if there was no issue with the backups, then it will be like restore will be required. Otherwise, it in previous you can see that it required a restore of last hour 20 minutes it asked. See, you can see that main bucket is failure means it did not find a main bucket in that, and telegram message will be sent. Here you can see that, and telegram message I got from an IBM project bot, and an email also has been sent to me that warning main storage is unavailable. All uploads will be directly to the backup storage. Now you can see that I have got a message in a telegram that same main storage is unavailable. is directly to the backup storage, and same message I got to the my email also, so that it can take an action easily. Now let's try to upload and some files to an upload folder, so that we can see that it is directly uploaded to the backup storage, so that where we can know that now main storage is not available and the backup is going on to the backup server also. Yeah, now I uploaded to the upload folder. Now let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that it can be uploaded to the cloud storage. Yeah, here you can see that now it is uploaded to the file also. Now if backup is not there, then what will happen to the main storage? Yeah, we can see that the now I've changed that restore from 1 to null, because in previous the main bucket was not there, then the restore has been shifted to 1. And now it is taking an data from an cloud services, that list of buckets are available in that. Here you can see that no buckets are found. Yeah, if both the buckets are failed, then we'll get a message that main bucket is unavailable and redirect to backup bucket, but there will be no backup bucket. If there will be no backup bucket, then the program will be ended. Now you can see that it will give an output that both the bucket of failure, and bucket does not exist here now. Yeah, now the data is coming. Yeah, now you can see that both the bucket of failure in this. Now the program, I will get a telegram message that warning, main bucket is not available. It is